Hey cuties! So today I am going to be doing an unboxing and a haul of these. Mini brands. I've been waiting for these. I tried to order them online. Where I was trying to order them from wouldn't ship to Canada, and that's like the only place I could find. I went on Amazon, they were out of stock. So I've just been looking for these. I've seen them on TikTok. They are like mini brands, but they're like fashion items. So there's gonna be like purses and stuff, and you can put things in the purse. I know I'm a child, but I'm so excited to do this. If you guys want to follow along and watch this video, thumbs it up. And I'm just so excited because I've never done these before. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is what they look like. These are 05 surprise. Let's get the zipper action. My nails are shook. Wow, these are really hard to open. What the heck? God, this just keeps snapping and breaking. There! Didn't even do anything. Oh my god, like what? It's like glued on. I've opened a lot of mini brands. These are crazy to open right now. Oh, okay. Girl, we finally got it. So once you open it, this is what's inside. Here's a little purse and shows you what items there are. I don't want to look, I just want to be surprised. So here's the bag. It feels like soft. It feels like a soft bag. And it is... Ooh! Oh my god, and it opens. You guys, look. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. And then inside is a little bit of tissue. And then here, let's see what I got to put in my purse. This little makeup brush, which the bristles feel real. Bloop. This is fun. I got this sticker, which I'm gonna put in my journal. Oh, we got a little perfume bottle. This looks like Toxic. Is it actually, not Toxic, Curious by Britney Spears. Like just the color of it. Looks like this. I love that it's, oh, these are so little interactive and cute. Put that in. And then the very last thing is, uh-oh. Cute. Oh my nails are so long for this, but, oh, this compact, and it says MF there. I touched it. It is not, oh my god, my nails are too long. And put that in there. I don't even know what brand this is. Like, I don't know, is this an Hermes purse? We're gonna take a look. It's right here, and there are rare ones as well. These are so cool. Next up, maybe this one will be easier to open. Whoa! People are probably gonna be like, what are you gonna do with that? I have no idea. Look at it on a rainy day. Like, it doesn't, oh, I wish I could peel this like a zipper. See, it just keeps breaking. I'll be right back. Let's see what this one's big. Okay, so we'll grab the two little things and the purse. I think this is so cool how they do this. Oh, I got one of the rare ones. Oh, look at this little bag. I follow a lot of people on TikTok that do these little unboxings, and I've seen somebody get this one and they were so excited about it. I'm gonna take the stuffing out of it. And it has like little chains hanging here. Cool. What are the items? Okay, so this one is this bag. We got this. Oh, it's like a little lotion. See that? It's not. I was thinking it's gonna be like actual like lotion. So I'm gonna put this in my purse. Oh, I got little sunglasses. Here are the sunglasses. They actually open. This reminds me of like a Barbie. Like, I would probably give one of these to my Barbies if I played with Barbies or back in the day, you know, that'd be cool. Or to give them to your friends. Oh, it's a lipstick. Just a little lipstick. I didn't know what it was, but here we go. Some red lipstick. Two bags so far. Now on to the third one. I don't know if it's because I'm getting the hang of it, but this one was way easier to open. All right. If we get a duplicate, I'll be so sad. This and this. Oh, leopard print. I love leopard print. Austin said to me the other day that leopard print is trashy, and I have not been able to think about it since. Or haven't stopped thinking about it since. Okay, this is my favorite one for sure. With a chain like that, or it could be an over the shoulder bag. Cute. Let's open this up and take out the stuffing. Why do these make me so happy? You know, the simplest things just brighten my day. These are also so pointless, but I just love them. Oh my god, I got a pet! I got a little, is this a chihuahua? A little chihuahua for my little lap dog to go in there. I think it would look better in the pink bag because then it could breathe, you know? Sticker that I got. I think I'm gonna use these on my next journal page. They're cute. And then got some duplicates. Oh no, these are different kinds of sunglasses. Oh no, they're the same. I got the same. How many times am I gonna say that? Sunnies. Oh yes. So adorable. There's like magnetic or something. Like this keeps going. Yeah, okay, so this is like the best closing one, I feel. So there's that little bag, and then the very last one, boo-boos. Let's open her. I'm just like going in and slicing. Like it's very dangerous actually what I'm doing, but I feel like it's like the only way to get these open. I don't know. I don't know if like the heat changed them or something. I'm not sure. Or if they use like super mighty stick glue. Last one. Okay. All right. I wanna ride. No duplicates. That's so pretty! Come on, Barbie Pink. Let's go. Oh, love her. This is the smallest bag out of them. I love the quilted fabric. Wow, everything went flying. Sticker duplicate there, but that's okay because the bag isn't. A duplicate of the brush and the sunglasses. Ploppity poo. And then finally, ooh, got, this one doesn't open. I believe this is a little nail polish. So we will go ahead and plop that in there. And that was my entire unboxing and haul of the fashion, mini fashion. To recap, we got this purse, this puss, this one that doesn't stay closed, my mouth. And this bag. So here are all the bags, and now I just got heartburn, so I'm gonna go take some Tums. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and it was just like a little cute moment, and I hope you guys have a great day. Put a smile on your face. I love you so much, and know that you're worth it and special in this world. And if you like little bags, you like little bags. If you like Ninja Turtles, you like Ninja Turtles. Don't know why that popped in my head, but I love you guys. Bye.